Hey, I have Mocha. Come here, Mocha. And Mocha and I are gonna go down to get him some meds. Things are grand over here, and while we're going, we're gonna be checking out some properties because he is a good bird dog. Huh? We're gonna do the bird dog strategy. Yeah. See if we can pass this on to maybe a rehabber, flipper, or maybe a buy and hold person who wants to fix it up and rent it out. Brrr. B-R-R-R. R. Right, Moke? Oh, he's getting bored. Okay, we gotta be on our way. Talk to you soon. Let you know how this goes. He's getting some meds. It's to help with his enlarged heart, but the fact of the matter is that's not that uncommon, especially in small dogs. So yeah, we're gonna get him some meds. Talk to you soon. Remember to like this video. Please share it, make a comment. Love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. I'm Lois, this is Mocha. I'm the bird, he's the dog. This has been a little bit about the bird dog strategy.